your little thing is just fake. It's just supposed to be creepy. Creepy. But everything is fake. So you need to use the map to get here. And you need to use the taunt, which is E. But you need a tool. Where can you find the tool? I don't know. Is it right here? Oh wait, actually, oh my god. Hope nothing bad happened. I hope nothing bad happens. Oh. Oh no. There's a paper here, but I can't read it. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that takes me to here. This one doesn't work in the train. I'm pretty sure train doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't open. And since I have the crowbar, now I can get inside. All I need to do is just go where the adventure mode is. I have to be super careful because if I use my flashlight too much, then I will die. Okay, I need to grab the map again. Okay, so let me go back to get the map again. There's different. Okay, there's also a shop. Okay, let's go back down here. Grab the map. Grab the map again. Go inside. Introduction. Right here, here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I going backwards? Yeah, but I'm definitely going back. Please. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Hope I don't get a heart attack. I press E. How did it knock out? Where was he? How do I know where he is? Please, I want to finish the pipe, the first pipe, because it's actually very difficult. I don't know if I can make it. Go, 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 go. Okay. Where? Okay, I think I just gotta go back. It's fine. I just only following this player. Press. Okay, press E. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Well, I'm moving backwards. Okay. And go. I have 5 seconds. Cool. Okay, here's the button. I am not dying today. I will do it. I will do it. I will not die. Okay, now I can go backwards. But I moved to the opposite direction. Okay, he's there. Probably there. Okay, taunt. Okay, move the perfect direction. I'm actually gonna do it. I just know. Move here, move here, move here, move here, move here. Oh, I was so close! I was so close! No! This is impossible. I'm never gonna use that first pipe. I'm just gonna play one of these ones. Move. Move. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop moving. Go, get the 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 go. Yeah, let's see. Boom. I'm good. I'm going. And I'm dead. Yay! I think I've hold on one more for this and I'm done. If I die again, I will